All right. So this one says the population. Yeah, you're right. I don't know how you got this correct, but you're missing the B value here. You got to have something added to this. So when you translate your information into two coordinates, what did you get? You got 0, comma 24,400 and 2001, years after 1992. So that's 9 years later. And this is 15,940. So yes, years since 1992. In 1992, this was the population. So look, you need this B value, but that's the y-intercept, or in this case, the p-intercept. So that value is just going to be this. This is 24400. And they want function notation, so they would want you to write this p, instead of p, they want you to write p parentheses x, p of x. I believe that will give you full credit for this question. If you have other attempts, this one here, I think you were close. You just put the wrong value in. So they want to know what you when you complete the square or complete the square. First thing I would do is divide both sides or everything by 6. So this is divide by 6, divide by 6, divide by 6. I add that to the other side. So this left side is just x squared plus 5/6 x equals 1/6. I divide this by 2, and that's 5/12. And I square it and add to both sides. So I get 25 over 144 plus 25 over 144. But that's not the value that I get when I factor it. When I factor it, I get two numbers that multiply to give me that. I get the 5 over 12. 5 over, so when you FOIL this, you get 5 over 12 times 5 over 12 is this. 5 over 12 plus 5 over 12 is this. Equals, what did you get? 49 over 144. So this is going to be 5/12. Okay, that's the number you squared to get this thing. 20 was correct. It's just, again, they marked it wrong because they wanted you to put C of X. I think I gave you credit for that. Here they want the I values. So when we do this out, we're going to get T equals negative B, which is positive 1, plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 times 2 times 18, all over 2 times 2, which is 4. So this is 1 plus or minus the square root. 1 minus, this is 2 times 8, 90, 880 plus 144. 1 minus 144, so this is negative 143 over 4. Is that right? 8 times 80, 64. 1 minus 144. Yeah. So this is 1 plus or minus I root 143 over 4. You can just write that in on the website and separate them with commas. So this is, what number was that? 11. So if you clear that out, you'll put this and you do 1 minus I root 143 over 4. And then you'll just go comma and then do 1 plus I root 143 over 4. Okay. So even if they have I, they want I in your answer. This one, I believe you might just need to check your signs. If you multiply the top and bottom by negative 8i, so the top becomes negative 32i minus 32i squared over negative 64i squared. So this becomes positive 32. So this is 32 minus 32i over, this becomes positive 64. So the real part is 32 over 64 minus 32i over 64. So the b just has to be negative. You just dropped the negative sign. And that's it.